Hello students, 12th standard computer science chapter 1 concept 1.4.3 chameleons of Chromeland problem using the function concept. So already you are studying 11th standard in this story. So now we have to write the algorithm by using the function concept and also how to write the flowchart. So now construct an algorithm that arrange meeting between these two types of so that they change their color to the third type. So now we have to consider three different types of chameleons. So three different type of chameleons. Any two members meet, they have to change another one color. So this is the concept. Okay. So we have to consider three variable like ABC. The variable ABC initial value like capital letter ABC. So just we have to get the output relation A and B equal value. So A equal B equal 0 and C equal A plus B plus C. So let us see the exercise. So here chapter 1.4.3 chameleons of Chromeland problem using function. So now you have to consider there are three different chameleons. So I am consider three different chameleons like red, green and blue. If you meet red and green means we have to create blue color. Otherwise blue and green meet means they have to create red color. Otherwise red and blue meet means they have to create green color. So this is the concept. Any two members met means they have to create another color, another third type's color. So this is the concept. So any two types meeting, they change their color to the third type. So we are considering three different colors, red, green, blue. Red and green merge means we want to display blue. Blue and green merge means we want to display red. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so let us represent the number of chameleons of each type by variable. Each chameleon is a variable. So we have to consider variable like small a, b and c. So there are three chameleons. The three chameleons initial values set by capital A, capital B and capital C. So like small a equal capital A, small b equal capital B and C equal capital C. So here you have to consider any two chameleons are equal. So now I get A and B is equal. So output relation A B equal 0, same value, and C equal A plus B plus C. So this is the output concept. So input value small a equal capital A, B equal capital B, C equal capital C. The A and B are same value. So output A and B equal 0, C equal A plus B plus C. So now we have to apply the value for ABC, capital ABC. So ABC consider the value like 4, 6. Like A means 4, A like 4, B like 4 and C equal 6. This is the value stored in ABC. In this time you have to note that each meeting A and B, each meeting A and B, like A chameleons and B chameleons. Each meeting they have to decrease their value by 1. Each meeting A and B decreases by 1 and C increases by 2 because A and merge means they have to creating another type. So both two member to join third one. So third one C increased by 2. Okay. So here the iteration process always going on. So iteration series is here A, B, C initial value. The base value A equal 4, B equal 4, C equal 6 because the value of A, B, C, because the value of A, B, C considered 4, 4, 6. Though, so the value assigned here. So A equal 4, B equal 4, C equal 6. The first meeting A value decrease by 1, B value decrease by 1, C value increases by 2. So already A 4 decrease by 1, 3. B value 4 decrease by 1, 3. C equal increase plus 2, that means 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, and next meeting, this section A greater than, this processing going A greater than 0. This process going A greater than 0. So next one, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, already C 8. So 8 plus, next meeting 8 plus 2, 10. Again, third meeting A equal 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. B equal to 2 minus 1, 1. C equal 10. So 10 plus 2, 12. And fourth meeting A having 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. B equal 1. 1 minus 1, 0. C equal 12. So 12 plus 2, 14. So last time C for same colors. That like all the chameleons is same in color. A, B, C all are same in color. So how to write the algorithm for this procedure? If you write the algorithm, first we have to write the name of algorithm. If you write any algorithm, first we have to mention the name. So I have to write the name of algorithm, monogram. I am using 3 members, 3 chameleons, like 3 variable A, B, C. So it considered the input value A equal A, B equal B, C equal C. A and B are equal value. So this input getting the output, they have to meeting means output value. They have to meet A and B are 0, C equal A plus B plus C. Okay. So we have to using one condition while A greater than 5. This process going 0. This process going when the A value greater than 0. If A is 0 means the process is stop. Okay. In the process iteration going, the value of A greater than 0. Here the last meet A value is 0. So the process is complete. Okay. So here we have to using one condition while A greater than 0 means we have to get the out process A, B, C processing A value minus 1, B value minus 1, C value increase plus 2. Okay. So this is basic algorithm. This algorithm how to write the flowchart. This algorithm using how to write the flowchart. So first we have to consider 3 variable. So 3 variable is a input type. So I am writing input A, B, C. So input section. This input variable getting the value small a equal A, small b equal capital B, small c equal capital C, and A and B's are equal value. So we are getting input value. If you get the input, we have to check the condition. Okay. So condition means we have to using decision making. So decision making a greater than 0, a value greater than 0 means the process going. So process how is going, process going like this one. So a comma b comma c colon a minus 1 b minus 1 c plus 2. In case the condition is false, the condition is false means output means ab equals 0, c equal a plus b plus c. So false means this one is the output section. A equal b equal 0, c equal a plus b plus c. So basic algorithm section, the algorithm using how to create the flowchart. Okay. So here this method using how to write the function algorithm. So algorithm using the function. So here I am using recursive function. So we have to write the function. Start with let keyword. Following recursive, REC is a recursive function. And what is the algorithm name? Already we have to write the algorithm name monochrome. So the function name monochrome, we are getting the variable 3 arguments a comma b comma c. So condition checking, if a greater than 0, if a greater than 0 means what process going? A minus 1, b minus 1, c plus 2. So here a greater than 0 means the process going a comma b comma c equal a minus 1, b minus 1, c plus 2. In case the condition is false, like a equal 0 or a less than 0 value means else part going. So else part means else part like a equals 0, b equals 0, c equal a plus b plus c. Then return c. So what is the value in c? The value in c is 14. The value in c is enough. 14. Value in c is 14. So it will be display 14. It will be display in 14. So please listen. Algorithm using function. Let recursive function name argument 3, condition checking. A greater than 0 means this process going. The condition false means else part. So else part a b equals 0, c equal to a plus b plus 5. Then return c. So return c means all chameleons in same color. All chameleon is in same color. A, B, C, all are in same color. So dear students, just you have to try this iteration concept like 3 chameleons a comma b comma c. The initial value like capital A, capital B, capital C. The value of the initial A, B, C like 5 comma 5 comma 36. Just you have to write the iteration series and you have to find the what is the value of third chameleon like C. What is the value of C? Just you have to try it. Thank you. Hello students. So 12th computer science chapter 1 book pack problem. Now I will explain. So part 2, answer the following question. 2 mark section. You see question number 3 is one of the statement you have to write. See the question. Write the interference you get from x colon equal 78. So here you have to write the current sentence formation of given statement. Okay, given expression you have to write the correct meaningful sentence. So the answer is given expression like in x colon equal 78. So this is the statement. This statement tell the meaning like 78 is a function definition that find the value 78 to the name x. Okay, the value 78 found in the name x. That means the 78 value stored into variable x. So see, question, write the interference you get from x colon equals 78. So this is the question. This question you have to write the correct sentence in x colon equals 78. 78 is a function definition that find the value 78 to the name x. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 3. And another one problem given, question number 5. See, which of the following is a normal function definition and which is recursive function definition? Given 3 statement given that you have to find which statement is normal function definition and which statement is recursive function definition. So already you know the recursive function means the keyword REC is using. Okay, so here question option 1, let REC sum x space y colon return x plus y. So option 1, this is recursive function. This statement is recursive function definition. Okay, easily find, you know. And second option, let is a keyword. The keyword following one function name without a parameter. So let disp, disp, the statement print welcome. So this is the normal function. This is normal section, normal function definition. And third option, let keyword algorithm, the function declaration we have to using let keyword following REC keyword, that means recursive function, and sum is a function name, num is one of the argument. So option 3 also recursive function definition. It is very easy question. So question number 5, having 3 option 1 and 3 is a recursive function definition part. Option 2 is normal function definition part. Okay, and one 5 mark question in your book, 5 mark question, part 4, question number 2 in chapter 1, part 4, page number 10, question number 2. Identify in the following program. So this is the program section. Let REC GCD A space B colon equal. This is a recursive function definition part. This function having the statement if B not equal 0, then GCD B of A mod B, else return A. So this is the program. This program telling you have to write what is the name of the function, what tells the recursive function, what are the variable using here, what is return type. You have to write the answer for given option. Option 1, name of the function. Option 2, identify the statement which tells it is a recursive function. Option 3, name the argument variable. Option 4, statement which invoke the function recursively. Option 5, statement which terminate the recursion. So this is your question. Identify the following program. This is the program. This program tells the following question. Here I have to write program. So you see, I have to change here the function name. In your book having the function name. Let keyword following recursive option following the function name GCD. So I have to change the function name FUN. Fun is a function name. Argument A and B, and also the statement if B not equal 0 then fun. The function name GCD here. So I have to change the function name FUN and B of A mod B and else part return A. In your book I have to change the function name only. The answer of the following option. Option 1, name the function. Name the function is fun. In your book GCD, I have to change FUN. So the name of the function is fun. And which tell it is a recursive function. Which tell it is a recursive function. So this line, let rect func A space B colon equal. So this is tell this statement is recursive function definition. So I have to write the answer. Let REC fun A B colon equal. So this is tell recursive function. And third option, name the argument variable. Here we are using the argument A and B. So the name of the argument A and B. And fourth option, which invoke the function recursively. Which invoke the function recursively. The statement where we have to using the function repeated fun. Here also we have to repeated using. Okay, the function call itself that is known as recursive function, you know. So here if B not equal 0 then fun B of A mod B. So this is the function recursive section. And last one, which terminate the function. Which one is terminate the function? Return A is a termination of given function. Return A is a termination of function. So the answer option 1, function name is fun. Option 2, recursive function. The first section, first line is a recursive function definition. Option 3, name of argument A and B. And invoke the recursive if B not equal 0 then fun B of A and A mod B. The termination of the line is return A. So this is the answer for your 5 mark question number 2. Just you have to refer it.